The Formnext news are powered by CMS, your technology partner.
Welcome to Formnext TV News with a selection of exhibitor highlights. Belgian startup Sculpman is showing its new patented variable nozzle technology at the fair. According to the company, this is intended to improve extrusion-based 3D printing. The highlight is the new print head, which improves both speed and precision. The diameter of the nozzle shape, which is normally regulated in FDM 3D printing, can be continuously changed at Sculpman. The company claims that this makes it possible to accurately print polymer parts at a high throughput, thus greatly reducing the printing time. The Fraunhofer ILT has come to the Frankfurt Trade Fair to present its established laser powder bed fusion process, LPBF for short. This enables the resource-efficient and economical production of complex functional components. In particular, it can be used to quickly produce prototypes in small batches with series identical material properties. One systematic advantage is that the development times can be reduced. The LPBF process patent celebrates its 25th anniversary this year. Prima Additive is showcasing its latest innovations at Formnext 2021. 3 solutions for metal additive manufacturing are exhibited at the Prima Additive booth. The Print Genius 150 and the Print Genius 250 both utilize powder bed fusion technology and are each equipped with 2 lasers. The LaserDyne 811 is based on direct energy deposition technology and is fitted with an innovative real DED deposition head patented by Prima Additive, which guarantees optimal process performance. Turkish 3D printer manufacturer Zax aspires to use Formnext 2021 to go international. The company successfully launched its first 3D printer, the Zax X1, on the domestic market in 2015. Now, Zax is presenting a total of 3 new desktop printers, the X-Lite Plus, Z2 and Z3. The X-Lite Plus is intended for use in the education sector. The Z-series 3D printers, on the other hand, are mainly designed for professional use and are supposed to be particularly well suited for research and development. Here at Formnext, global standards organization ASTM International announced the acquisition of Volas Associates, a global intelligence leader in the additive manufacturing and 3D printing industry. As part of the acquisition, ASTM International acquires the Volas Report, a well-known premier publication for the AM industry. That were today's Formnext TV News. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.